Hello ladies and gentlemen, today with BK. Just to finish this. I didn't think I needed to show taking bolts out and putting them back in, but I just put some ZL1 Tiedowns on this C7 Corvette, and you can see here there's a little bit of natural light showing. So these come out 74 foot-pound is what you put on these. And I didn't put any blue Loctite on these. They came out pretty good. That'd be fantastic for when I'm trying to, tow. I don't necessarily think I'm going to use this. I don't really like cinching down suspension when I tow. But this is just in case something happens and I can't control it. Maybe a tow truck can use these points and not try to wrap it around something and bend all this aluminum suspension under here. It makes the car lighter, but it also can cause a problem. While I'm here, I changed the differential fluid. I think it's on one of my videos. It's not that hard, y'all. You can do it in your yard. You just clean it off after you're done, but it does make the car not handle, but drive a little better. So here's the front ones. This is the actual cradle for the sway bar end link, or not end link, excuse me, sway bars bracket here. This is the cradle bolt, and that's 47 foot-pound. I put some blue Loctite on that. That is a smaller bolt. It's also a one single bolt, and I just in case. Once again, not necessarily what I use this to do, the tie down with the vehicle when I'm towing. I think I'm going to use some over the tire straps, but this is for the Vets versus the Dragon. Shout out to y'all if you're watching. Looking forward to it in a few weeks here, and it's ready. I just got to clean it. I've been waiting to clean it really good. Y'all check out my other videos regarding my trailer that I'm going to trailer it on, because I put a nice debris guard on the front, and it's pretty tall, about 5 feet. I don't know, 4.5, 5 feet. You have to look at my video, and it does really well so far. Get this thing on there. I'm gonna probably tie this thing down with the lasso straps on the wheels. I'm gonna probably put my tow hook up front, use that to tie down. We'll see. I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna take some back roads, and stay tuned for that video. But thanks for watching. I know this is a short one, but just reiterate. We'll walk back here. You can see how they do not interfere with the level of the car, as in you don't want anything protruding down that's not already down from the factory, as it is. And you can see up here, so that's kind of showing you what you can see there. Just a little bit down, but I mean that's no further down than the bracket for the radiator here. So it's pretty cool. I'm gonna see how well these straps, since it's down this way, hopefully it goes. If I can try to tie it down around this. If not, I may take that off while I'm trailering them, just because those things are expensive and they are constantly ripping if you don't do something like that. So anyway, once again, thanks for tuning in and always supporting my channel. If you got any questions or comments, please just put them down at the bottom. Let's talk. Today with BK out.